Hey everybody, this is Jemwa and I'm a business manifestation coach for spiritual entrepreneurs. And today I wanted to give you 3 tips for manifesting your ideal clients. So the first thing when it comes to manifesting your ideal clients is that you need to be super crystal clear about who your ideal client is and what it feels like to have an abundant supply of these ideal clients in your programs, right? That's a feeling, that's a sensation. When you can externalize this sensation in your reality, then it will manifest. Number 2, you need to believe there's an infinite abundant supply of these types of people. I know it may seem hard to believe that at first, especially if you're niching down and you're like feeling scarcity, you're feeling like, are you sure there's actually enough people to run my business, after I niche down? Because I feel like I barely see these types of people anywhere. But the cool thing is, as soon as you niche down and focus on your ideal client, you're gonna start seeing her everywhere. Him or her everywhere. You're going to start seeing them everywhere because what you focus on expands. And number 3, you need to be super crystal clear about your program and your pricing. Your pricing needs to feel good to you. When something feels good, it's on the path of least resistance to manifesting in your reality. So you need to feel good about what you charge, and you need to be crystal clear about your program. And keep it to one program that you tell everybody about, right? So you're building the momentum of selling one program. All your energy is behind this one program. You're aligned with the pricing. You know who your ideal client is. Now all this can come together and you can manifest an amazing amount of abundance in your business. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in getting support in manifesting your ideal reality in your business, I have a money manifesting space and a client manifesting space. Both of these memberships, you're going to feel like, okay, finally I have something that's showing me how to deliberately manifest clients. Finally I have something showing me how to deliberately manifest money. There's so much material out there online about law of attraction and manifestation and marketing and sales and business, but my programs are the one-stop shop for everything, because manifestation is the whole root of reality. And when you know how to manifest something, you can manifest anything in your business as well. So we're looking at all the specific vibration that it takes for you to manifest your ideal client reality, and all the specific vibration that it takes to manifest your specific money vibration. This is about getting to the root of your reality and how you're actually creating, right now, think about your business right now. You're creating that. You're creating this version of your business right now. Your business is your thoughts pushed out. Your sales are your thoughts pushed out, right? Your clients are your thoughts pushed out. You're the creator of your own reality. So it's time to take ownership of how you're manifesting things in your business. Join my money manifesting space. Join my client manifesting space. If you join both, you get a discount. Leave a yes in the comments below if you are interested in joining these memberships, growing your business, attracting more of your ideal clients, and making more sales and money, helping more people have a spiritual awakening. That's what this is all about, right? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Namaste.